When it comes to manufacturing, the ability to adapt is a must. Your success is likely due to your ability to change and take full advantage of the latest innovations. Wireless private networks are radically changing businesses today. They offer you a reliable and secure connectivity platform that gives you the power to make manufacturing smarter by connecting machines, people, and data in ways you couldn't do before, which leads to increasing productivity, improving efficiency, and gaining competitive advantages. At Ericsson, we're enabling the factory of the future today. Autonomous mobile robots are materials handling workhorses that can understand and move through factory environments independently. By implementing AMRs in your factory, you can reduce labor costs, free up labor for more high-value activities, decrease downtime, and contribute to better, safer working conditions for employees. To completely realize these benefits, manufacturers must process and manage large amounts of data, which requires extremely reliable, secure, low-latency connectivity, able to deliver real-time data transfer with enhanced geolocation capabilities. And that's where Ericsson can help. By partnering with us to provide a private 5G cellular network, you can enjoy the high return on investment and increased revenue that autonomous mobile robots have been proven to deliver. Computer and machine vision enable a computer to look at machines and parts and identify, analyze, and evaluate if they're following procedures. They're capable of noticing imperceptible defects before they affect operations. Computer vision provides countless opportunities for the smart factory, from quality assurance to product item identification to image analysis. By utilizing them, you can improve processes, increase productivity, and ensure regulatory compliance and safety. Because computer vision uses real-time processing and visualization of large amounts of data, it requires exceptionally reliable connectivity. And that's where Ericsson can make a difference. By integrating a private 5G cellular network, which enables high-definition video for assembly line monitoring and tracking, we make it possible for you to bring the power of computer vision to your facility. Connected workers are operators with various digital technologies, applications, and tools at their fingertips, including wearables, connecting them to physical and virtual manufacturing environments as well as each other. They empower employees to make data-driven decisions, improve system-level processes, and easily share their knowledge. Over the next 3 to 5 years, Gartner predicts that up to 70% of new mobility investments will be allocated for frontline workers. Through our private 5G cellular network, Ericsson can help you connect your factory workers, delivering a more efficient use of labor resources, reducing human errors, decreasing downtime, enhancing overall equipment effectiveness, increasing safety, and cutting labor costs. Digital twins are virtual models designed to accurately reflect physical objects. McKinsey estimates that digital twin technologies can accelerate time to market by as much as 50% and improve product quality up to 25%. In a factory, they can improve supply chain decisions, reduce downtime, optimize production flow, and decrease configuration time. But effective use of digital twins requires a massive amount of processed and managed data that must be transferred in real time. That's where Ericsson can help. By enabling the safe and secure analysis of precise industrial processes, a 5G cellular network allows the real-time transfer of large data volumes, even with a high density of connected devices, thanks to its high bandwidth and reliability. Asset management combines equipment condition monitoring as well as predictive maintenance. Together, these two tools enable manufacturers to optimize performance and avoid unplanned downtime. Asset management assists manufacturers to oversee inventory levels, minimize unplanned repairs, reduce the failure of critical assets, improve overall business operations, and keep equipment running while reducing overmaintenance and premature parts replacement. Intelligent equipment tracking drives operational cost savings for a smart factory, but the various sensors that make asset management possible create increased data, visualization, and analytics that require a robust and secure network. A network Ericsson can help implement in your facility. At Ericsson, we can help you bring asset management to life with our safe, secure, private cellular network and the power of 5G. With private cellular networks and 5G connectivity, Ericsson helps you harness the power of data, people, and machines working together to increase productivity and improve efficiency. Let us help you build your factory of the future today.